Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful.
Let us solve today's DC using Python programming language. The program must accept two integers n and x and convert n to binary and store it in variable b. It must print the count of suffixes in b whose decimal equivalent is divisible by x. The program must accept two integers n and x and convert n to binary and store it in variable b. It must print the count of suffixes in b whose decimal equivalent is divisible by x. Now let us consider our test case. N is equal to 52 and x is equal to 2. So let us write it. N is equal to 52, x is equal to 2, and the binary value of 52 will be stored in b. So b is equal to 110100. This is the binary value of 52. Now let us write the suffixes of b: 1, 11, 110, 1101, 11010, 110100. These are the suffixes of b. Now let us write its decimal equivalent value. For 1 it is 1, for 11 it is 3, for 110 it is 6, for 1101 it is 13, for this one it is 26, and for the last one it is 52. Now let us check for the condition. Which numbers are divisible by 2? So 6 is divisible by 2 and 26 is divisible by 2. 52 is divisible by 2. So 3 integers are divisible by 2. So 3 will be printed as our output. Now let us check for our another test case. Here n is equal to 147 and x is equal to 3. So let us write it. N is equal to 147, x is equal to 3, and the binary representation is 10010011. So now let us write the suffixes of b: 1, 100, 1001, 10010, 1001000, 1001001, and at last 11. Now the equivalent value. So for 1 it is 1. The next one is 2. For the second one it is 10, which is 2. And for 100 it is 4. For the next one it is 9. And for this one it is 18. For this one it is 36. for this 73, and finally for this 147. Now we have to check for the condition which decimal numbers are divisible by 3. So 9 is divisible by 3, 18 is divisible by 3, 36 is divisible by 3, 147 is divisible by 3. So the count is 4. So 4 will be printed as our output. Now let us check for our final test case for better understanding. Here n is equal to 98 and x is equal to 6. So let us change it. N is equal to 98 and x is equal to 6. And the binary value is 1000010. 110010. Now the suffixes 01 110010 finally. Now the decimal numbers are, for 1 it is 1, for 11 it is 3, for 110 it is 6, for this one it is 12, for this one it is 24, and for this 49. Finally for this it is 98. Now we have to check for our condition which decimal numbers are divisible by 6. So because x is equal to 6 here, so 6, 12 and 24. These are the 3 numbers divisible by 6. So 3 will be printed as our output. Now let us implement our logic using Python programming language. First we will get the input integer n and x, and then let's have a variable b, which is nothing but the binary of n. We can find the binary using bin function in Python. We have to slice it from index 2 so that 0th and first element will be eliminated. Next, let us have a variable called count, which is initialized as 0. Now let us use a for loop for index which ranges from 0 to index of length of b. So first we will get the binary b of index plus 1. This will be the syntax for binary, that is a binary of suffixes. So now let us check for our condition. Int of suffix comma 2 modulo if int of suffix comma 2 modulo x equal to 0 means if this condition satisfies means we have to increment the count by 1. Finally we have to print the count. Here we are getting the input integer x, n and x, and b is the binary value of n. Using bin function we are slicing it from the index 2. For example, if 3 is the decimal value means its binary will be 0b11. For getting only the numbers we are slicing it from 2. And next we are using for loop which ranges from index 0 to length of b, and we are just checking for our condition int of b of index plus 1 comma 2 modulo x equal to 0 means you have to increment the count by 1. Finally, we are printing the count as our output.